Okay, so if you guys have a Shark robot vacuum and you have a lot of pets, it's important to clean out the dog hair from the wheels. I don't know if you can see any of that in there. Anyway, and if you have a Torx bit screwdriver, this is a 15, and that's what size the screws are. But I'll show you why I'm cleaning mine out. Because I can get this open. Hang on. And pull this wheel out. And then this is all the hair that's built up in there. So I gotta, oh, there's my other screw. So I'm pulling all this out. And we have 3 dogs that stay inside most of the time. And then people wonder why their robot vacuums just die, and I think this is one of the reasons. They never get pulled apart and cleaned, and I just knew that it was a problem. See all that hair that's getting into the motherboard in there? That's not good. Anyway, I paid $500 for this thing. I'm gonna clean it out so it's not a problem. And now that I know how to take it apart, hopefully it'll live longer.